So this video features a lot of wildflowers that I've collected and spread onto a very large roof in North Greenwich. But this is not spreading the love, it's witnessing the love. For I collect the love, the seeds, and then I spread the love on roofs all over London. And just so you know, there's a bit of bad botany in here, but I've kept it in because, A, I do bad botany. Back on the big green roof in North Greenwich, and this green roof was installed in 2018. This end, where I am now, was originally just a cedar blanket, and the far end was just bare substrate in the style of the old brown roof idea that I and a group of others came up with in Deptford Creek back in the late 90s. So because of that, I had the opportunity to collect seeds and seed it. So you can see quite a lot of purple toe flax, which has now colonised the raised beds, and there's a lot of seeds, so I'm going to have to collect some. Now, I know where the original purple toe flax came from. It came from the Westbourne Avenue in Eltham. There's a huge patch, edge of the pavement there, and I collected that in 2018. Now there's purple toe flax all over this roof, so I'm going to collect some and spread it onto other green roofs. Purple toe flax is good for the toe flax brocade moth, quite a rare moth, and first discovered it feeding on toe flax up at here east on the big biosolar green roof up near the Olympic Park. Down there you can see all the hare's foot clover, and there's lots of hare's foot clover on this roof. And the hare's foot clover originated from East India Dock in 2002, because I collected some seeds then from the East India Dock, threw them on the Larb Dance Centre, and I've been spreading hare's foot clover seeds ever since. God, I love a mullein, and that one's taller than me. And there's one over there that's even taller. This is this is greater mullein. Bad botany, it's not a greater mullein, but it is a mullein. And I know at least where some of the seeds of this greater mullein came from. It actually came from the end of my street where there's this wildflower patch, and there were a lot of mullein there in 2018, and I nicked a stem and threw it on the roof. And I encountered my first greater mullein on some green roofs at Zurich Hauptbahnhof in Switzerland. And here's a picture of one way back in 2002, that is. And last year I had an immense greater mullein on a building above Charing Cross Station on a green roof. So it's a great plant, really attractive to pollinators. I once was told by architects, we can't have any plants taller than 6 inches. Well, the architect wouldn't like that, would he? Eh? So the Viper's bugloss has gone to seed on this green roof, and I'm going to collect some now. I forgot to bring my gloves because Viper's bugloss is a bit prickly. Let's see how we do. Your bag, to pull them out. Oh, it's a bit prickly. Stealing linnet food. How naughty of me. I collected some teasel seeds as well, so we've got a bit of teasel here. Not quite as tall as me. And obviously the linnets and the goldfinches not only like the Viper's bugloss, but they like the teasel. So over the last couple of years we've had some pretty severe droughts, and this roof has not been irrigated, so quite a few of the species have been knocked out. A lot of them have bounced back, but things like burstfoot trefoil, St John's wort, which normally actually does bounce back, the muskmallow, spiny rest harrow, have disappeared. So I will be collecting seeds as I normally do every year, and I will reseed this roof come October with a whole range of wildflowers collected from all over South East London, North East London, a bit of Essex, mostly Kent. Regional seeds collected from the wild, put on a green roof in the Greenwich Peninsula. How cool is that?